Chill, chill. Don't do that.
What the heck?
Do not do that.
What?
Do not honk.
We didn't even
Do
see
not honk.
Why?
You can make them crazy and they can brake check you. Do not do that.
But
You do not have the experience to honk.
Why? You almost hit me.
I've told you, be careful, he's coming like crazy.
Yeah, well, I saw him going really fast. So I had my foot over the brake.
I saw he's gonna do that.
So I had my foot
That's
over
why
the
I told you, be ready.